Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Bronchiectasis. So under bronchiectasis, this is most common in case of the elderly patients. So it is seen in elderly patients, and the patients, they present with a cough as well as there can be sputum. This is a bronchiectasis. It is the most common lobe which is affected in bronchiectasis will be the lower lobes are affected. The best investigation will be the HRCT. The signs, it includes the tram track sign as well as the tram track sign is seen, as well as the signet ring sign is very prominent and it is seen. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.